In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel the hosting and domain in Hostinger. Whether you're moving to a different provider or need a fresh start, this guide will help you easily navigate the cancellation process. Let's dive in. First, what you'll want to do is open up your browser and head over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by typing in the URL directly, which is hpanel.hostinger.com, or simply searching for Hostinger in your preferred search engine and clicking on the home page link. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. It's vital to ensure that you're logged in with the account associated with the hosting and domain that you wish to cancel. Now, after you're securely logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. Here, our next step is to locate the section labeled Websites. You should see this option on the main navigation menu. Click on Websites to proceed. This will take you to a page listing all the websites you currently have hosted with Hostinger. On the Websites page, you might notice that each of your websites is displayed as a separate card or list item. Here, your focus should be on finding the website you'd like to cancel. To initiate the cancellation, look for a small button or icon, typically represented by 3 vertical dots, located to the right of the website's name. This icon is often referred to as the Options or Settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear showing you various options like Settings, Edit, and others. From these options, you want to select the Delete option. It's important to take a moment here and ensure that this is the correct website you want to delete because, once confirmed, this action is irreversible. Upon clicking Delete, Hostinger will likely prompt you with a confirmation message. This message is just a final step to make sure you're absolutely certain about proceeding with the cancellation. If you're ready and sure, confirm the deletion by following the on-screen instructions. At this stage, Hostinger will begin the process of removing your hosting and domain from their servers. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the process of canceling your hosting and domain with Hostinger. Remember, while this process is straightforward, it's crucial to back up any data you want to keep before initiating the deletion, as reclaiming it afterward can be challenging. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.